Hey friends, Jeff back here at Bygone. Wanted to open the hood on our 71 C10 pickup truck with that big block 468. But I'll go ahead and I'll let her snort a little bit here so you can hear it. Sounds mean. The truck runs really well on premium pump fuel. Was told by the previous owner that the compression ratio is 9.5 to 1, so you're good to go there on pump fuel. But man, what a cruiser, gang! She's got some gusto, that's for sure. If you have any questions, please feel free to give a shout. My name is Jeff. I'm from Bygone in the Driftless area of Wisconsin, northwestern Dane County. Take care.